What's new? And I gotta raise up my London low. Or London high, excuse me. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Well, RIP the bear market from July 31st to August 4th. It was a whopping 5-day bear market. Wow. Say you'll never let me go. All right, let's trade smart, trade safe today. Going to be staying patient, waiting for our A+ setups to confirm. It's Monday, so we know what that means for how I trade. Likely less risk on. Have been sizing up a bit lately, but when it comes to trading on Mondays, it's not my highest probability day, so just have to wait and see. ES with the face ripper too. ES with a big old-fashioned face ripper. Big old-fashioned face ripper. Was in the emergency room on Thursday and don't remember anything. Damn, I hope you're okay, bro. For a higher low?
Yeah, I'd like to see it back around like 2384, 85 area.
We have, if we already get some sort of downtrend, we have an absolutely massive amount of room down to that London low. Absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. Say you'll never let me go. All right, let's let an A+ setup develop for us. And when it comes, we will attack. We will attack. Like a hyena in the wild. It's coming. Pumping. Let's see on our macro levels what we have. Tesla, I'm not seeing a whole lot. Let's see here. Q. Got a decent amount of room to the upside on the hourly, 4-hour. We do have some supply up at 563 on QQQ or on NASDAQ. That would be like 270. You got anything to watch, Grizzly Glock?
Looking for that pullback entry, man.
Yeah.
Get
Went for a higher low. Higher low. What's good, everybody? Good morning. It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading. Make sure if you guys haven't already, you tap in, hit that follow button. And as a reminder, Apex is 80% off again. So if you guys are trading on funded accounts, whether it's Apex, Tradeify, or FFF, code Jdun will always get you the best possible discount. And I, Jdun myself, will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get paid out, and get yourself on a path to building your own live account. So you guys can go to apextraderfunding.com. That's the biggest discount in the market right now with code Jdun. We have people every single week in here getting payouts. I appreciate you, Deep Woods Cabin. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going up. Hey, what's up, Danny? Good morning. What's up, Tony? Good morning. Thanks for the gifts, bro. I'm going to go buy some gluten-free donuts with them. Your boy don't eat gluten, so I'll get some nice gluten-free donuts with them puppies. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, dog. No shit, what a pump. Just absurd.
Be a fun range today.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So this is clearly likely going to be the bottom of the 15-minute range. So let's go ahead and just mark that out right now. If we were to get some sort of downtrend below this for the shorts entry, that would be a massive trade to that London low. That would be a massive trade.
My dad is coming into trading me around my stuff off. I don't know why.
Huh.
I have to restart my charts, I believe.
Trying to keep you away from the monies. Trying to keep you away from the monies. Don't. How was your weekend, Gene?
Good.
Good. See anything you like on the charts?
Just a big green candle.
Just a big old green candle. Hulk. Don't. Why would you follow these guys not helping us poor folks? What do you literally mean? What does that even mean? All I do is help people build accounts, large and small. I don't discriminate on account size, baby. And if you think of yourself as a poor folk, you probably will stay poor. So that's how you view yourself. That's how you look in the mirror and view yourself. I don't want you in the stream looking at yourself like that. I want you in the stream looking at yourself as a winner. Someone who might not be where you want to be now, but you're getting there. You're on your way there. That's the mindset we choose here at Team Bull. It's discipline over dopamine. You might not have a lot of money right now, but again, you become rich in your mind long before your bank account. I'm a living example of that. When I had nothing, when I had filed for bankruptcy at 20 and was down in the dumps and had nothing going for me, I knew that wasn't the end for me. It was just the beginning. You got to think the same way about yourself. Same way. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all being here with us this morning, Team Bowl. Yeah, this is going to be an absolute massive upside opening range. I mean, just massive. Just massive. I wonder what Brando and GD are looking at. For me, I don't see a whole lot that I like. I'm going to have to wait. Wait for some A+ confirmation. If we get up to that 270 area, I might be interested in a supply reject for puts, shorts. That's the only reject area I have on watch. That was from the weekly watch list as well. It's not for what? It's not for like 100 points though, or a little less, potentially. Don't. This weekend was great too. Got a bunch of stuff moved. Got some nice workouts in. Went on a long bike ride. Tell y'all one thing, I'm ready to make some money.
The question is, why this market not giving us a pullback to enter? Straight up.
Literally straight up, bro.
You're in the perfect place to ride your bikes.
I know. Peaceful. We just went and touched 200. That is absurd, bro. That is absolutely absurd. Nine, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 7. There's 5. Unreal. Just straight face ripper. Face ripper. I'm using the restroom quick, guys. I'll be right back. All that water's hitting me. All that water's hitting me, Gene. Like a racehorse.
Don't mind this.
Just more pump. More and more and more pump. We got our 15-minute range marked out. So you go straight up, fill the gap. So you go straight up to the gap fill, huh? Let's see, QQQ. 62. That gap fill could be a good place to watch for shorts. At 563-ish. On spot on QQQ, that would be 560, almost 564. On SPY for ES, it'd be 630.7. It's aggressive buying. Aggressive. Got to keep adjusting my charts at this pump. Yep, appreciate you being here. I'm live here every single morning on TikTok. As a reminder, I appreciate you being here, hitting that follow button. I trade live for y'all daily. I'm also on the YouTube as well. There's full screen share if you want to go there as well, at Jdun Trades. You should be subscribed regardless. I have a ton of great education if you're a beginner or intermediate trader. Lots of good stuff on there for you. In case anything ever happens to TikTok as well, you can find me on there. Appreciate y'all, all y'all being here too, YouTube. Yes, good morning. Welcome in, everybody. Good morning. Bearish. Don't. Yes, sir. Good morning. As a reminder, Apex 80% off is back. I'm going to put that in the chat. Let's get that 84 mil. Yeah. We're getting a day closer to getting to 85. One day closer to 85, baby. Do we dare take the opening range breakout setup? Do we dare take it? Do we dare take it? That's the question. It's like right at that 200 area. I'm open to it. I'm not opposed. It's obviously higher risk considering we have over 100-point opening range. With a 100-point opening range, it's a little higher risk for sure, but Tested about 199. Let's see.
Crazy about anything to go back on.
I know, it's just tough. Like, even if this opening range high hits, it's just been such an aggressive opening range that it's a lot more risk on.
Maybe watch like a 23, 130 area bounce to pull back.
Maybe a no trade Monday. We'll see. I mean, the day is still early. It's only 30 minutes in, but don't. After a pump like that, it's just risky. Lower volume, but that candle looks like it went to high day. Might just be one of those days of just straight up. In which case, I will likely not take a trade. I don't prefer, geez Louise, high day, taking trades when we're just one direction up or down. We also have data in 5 minutes as well, factory orders. I am going to watch my gap fill area. It's super counter trend, but I'm going to watch my gap fill on SPY and QQQ for a short entry. It's the only potential counter trend reject I have. Let's see. What level were you watching for a higher low, Grizzly Glock?
Yeah, it has to be around that 21, 130 or 23, 130 area for me.
Yeah, that's a ways back.
Yeah.
It's a ways back. It's a ways. Don't know. Just straight up. All green candles. Someone asked why I didn't take the Aubrey test. It looked decent. I mean, from a technical perspective, we had higher volume in retest. It's just with such an aggressive move up, with such an aggressive move pre-market, I wanted a deeper pullback.
Range. The 30-minute range could be crazy.
I know, nuts.
We have data.
You do have data. I don't think factory orders is going to turn this uptrend around, but who knows? I've been wrong before.
I can tell you this, it's one of them days where people blow accounts trying to catch the top. So be careful.
Yep. Tell you, I'll watch for my gap fill. I'm potentially down to try that. 30.7. Around 631 on SPY. Not invalid. It's just higher risk for me. I mean, technically speaking, everything that we look for, the close above, the higher volume tested. So on a Monday where we've moved from the London low, we've moved 950, 050, 150, you know, almost 300 points up to that. Just a little sketchier. Okay, come on. We got that out of the way. Let's get a nice deep pullback and then rip it long. Nice deep pullback, then rip it long. Or go to my reject level. That's fine too. $180. I'm open to the gap fill reject for sure. I mean, if we hit it and I didn't try it, I'd be real bummed. Up at like 564 area on QQQ. dun, 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 dun. Oh. Woo. I got my best daddy ever shirt on with one hand that says Riker and one hand that says Dada, and we're fist bumping. Best daddy ever. Jay need to be this market's daddy and give us a nice trade. Come on now. Not one red candle yet. The only place I'm willing to fight the trend is if we get that gap fill. Otherwise, I'm not trying to pick tops. What?
Where's the gap you're looking at, Phil?
What is it?
Where's the reject?
Oh, on SPY and QQQ. So it's on the daily chart up at like 564 on QQQ. And on SPY, it's up near 631. If you go look at the daily chart. We could reject here, but it's not. I'm not in the business of trying to tick tops and bottoms without solid confirmation. Why Grizzly have a different chart? What do you mean? Most prop firms are subscription based. Tradeify, with their straight to funded, is just a one-time payment. So if you guys want a great straight to funded offer, I'll put it in chat. Yep, you know we do chain. Every trade here, win, lose, or draw, we do it together. I put the Tradeify link in chat too. They have straight to funded accounts where you don't have to worry about passing an eval or anything like that. A nice job. I'm glad you guys took that Aubrey test. I did not take it. I told you guys why, but I mean, everything else looked great. The volume, the price. Ugh. Got one semi reversal candle, not a ton. See what they give us. This is a game of patience, everybody. This is a game of patience. The patient win. The patient ones win here as traders. That's what we do here at Team Bull. We stay patient. We choose discipline over dopamine every single day. While we're waiting for these gap fills, let's go check out what individuals are doing. Tesla's having quite a move too. Really nice orb move on Tesla. I mean, it's only moved $1 so far, $1 and some change, but so far the chart looks decent. Back forth, back forth. That's right. Discipline over dopamine every single day. Just give us a little more move up. QQQ, just give us a little more move up to like 564, another $1.50, another $1.20. Give us a nice, show you guys what I'm looking at in the chart. And QQQ and NQ move alongside each other. So I'd like to see us come up, test this area in here for a shorts entry. It's the only place I'm willing to fight the trend. Other than that, I'm looking for longs. But when we have a daily level like that, we also go look at the 4-hour level right around this 564 with the previous support trend resistance here too. So we'll see what they give us if they give it to us. I hope they do. Hope they don't reject us early. Let's see what our multiple that trade would have been. So we touched down here, went up, call it enter at like 215. Let's just see. Oh, whoops. That's a short. We don't want a short. We want a long. So that would have been at its highest. Oh, 3.5. That's not bad. There you are. Yeah. If you took that orb, it actually worked out halfway decent from an R multiple perspective. Why not look for a long on the way down? I mean, I'm open to it. It just needs to be a deeper pullback. I mean, I don't even, at this point, I'm kind of with you, bro. Like, the only problem is that if we close below the 15-minute high, that opens up a can of worms of the potential reversal of the 15-minute orb. So I almost need to see it deeper into like the 150 area.
I expect we'll bounce it 3,200 or down around when he's talking about.
So if we had higher volume on the sell can, I'd look for a pop up and potentially try short entry to catch down to 200, but we didn't get that, so I'm not taking it. I get to sit back and stay patient again. I'm in no trades. Nope. GMNB not long. Appreciate all y'all being here on YouTube, everyone. Welcome to the #1 trading stream in the world, baby. The #1 discipline stream, I should say. Appreciate y'all rocking with me every single day. I also appreciate you guys using code Jdun on Apex, FFF, or Tradeify. Apex has the best deal in the land right now. It's in my pinned comment. 80% off all accounts. You can trade up to 20. And when you use code Jdun, you get payout protection. So people talk about, oh, Apex doesn't pay out. Well, for one, yes, they do. But for two, if they know you're using an influencer like mine's code, they're going to know if anything happens, I'm going to go straight to the top and talk to them. Say, hey, why are you doing this to Trader212, to Tammy? Here's the support number. Don't be doing that. So you get payout protection with code JDON as well as the best discount. Oof. Yes, sir. Let's see if this ends up being the higher low in here. And there's no way I would have taken this for say, but we'll see. They did buy that last dip up. Sub Gene, any trades?
Yeah, I took a short with Brandon.
What'd you say?
I took a short with Brandon.
How'd it go?
Good 20 points.
Oh, nice. Glad Brandon caught a winner. That's good. Makes me happy. Maybe he can. He finally paid for my lunch for once. It finally happened, guys. It finally happened.
Don't get used to it.
I know, I'm not getting used to
He
it.
owes you like 20 more.
Bro owes me legit like a lifetime, a year's worth of food at least. A year's worth of food at least. Yeah, Arby's, that's a good guess.
Bring you a piece McNugget.
Yeah. No sauce though, if it costs that extra.
He's bringing a loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread, maybe. Yeah, Brandon will buy me Subway. Bro.
Did you know how cheap he is?
Bro, I haven't had Subway since I was in, I think, high school.
Subway's fire.
What's wrong with you?
It was, dude.
Oh, it was. Subway was fire. I think like the Subway switch in your mind turns off after you turn 18.
Yeah.
But if I was 15, I was smashing them subs, baby. I mean, Jimmy John's will always be elite.
This is going to be the lower high, please.
I know. It looks like with that 5-minute candle with that volume too.
Yeah, there's too much risk on that candle.
Let's see, 215. When we could watch for a pullback to 45, even like a pullback into the 240s.
I think that's the only trade we'll get.
Now that we confirm this candle, watch it's going to go high a day first. If it does that, then it's invalid for me. If we go high a day first, it is invalid for me. But I'm willing to watch that pullback into this candle now. Watch the pullback down, entry, and then look for high a day with stops below this candle low. But it's gonna if it hits high a day first, it's invalid for me. I like the pullback first. That and the rejected gap fill are the only two things that I'm watching. Yep. That's all I'm watching. Let's see if we can get down to like 240, 240s. Because then if you keep your stop below 215, you have like 20, 25 points of risk. Just one push down quick.
Push down. That's a way to put it.
It's a little lower. A little lower. Around 40 area. It's the only thing I see.
You touched 240 there for a second.
246. Come on. It hit the point where there would have been 30 points of risk there. So technically speaking, 45 would have been valid for a sniper entry, but I want to see that 240 area. A little lower. A flush into this zone right here. I'll just mark it out on screen share so you guys can see. So I wanted to see. Now we're going to go hit high a day.
Much risk. And if it hurts me.
Oh, it's definitely one of them Mondays. One of them Mondays. What's your question, my bro? What's your question, my bro? New trade 187. What do you say, bro?
Pulling back.
It is. Looking. See if it touches my zone. I'm not going to force anything today. Don't necessarily love that. Let's see. See if we can get into my zone here, the lower part. The flush below 240. Try, then the biggest risk you have is this 215. This trend setting candle low here. It's not going to give us the pullback.
No, it's not. I'll get on my nerves.
No trades for me yet today. Not going to force anything on a Monday. Not going to force anything on a Monday. Even trying right now, we don't have super far to high a day, so there's not a whole lot of risk reward. So I'm just waiting. The only short entry I like is up on SPY above 630. So that'd translate to ES, and then on QQQ at like 564. So on NQ, you could take that for shorts on NQ as well. All right, let's watch. Let's see what this looks like. We can flush 540. Try the baby piece of the longs, guys. Try the small piece. And let push down. I don't like to see lower end of the zone, but it's worth the risk to me with small size. I have room to add once more if need be.
You said you took some long?
I tried a really small piece, yeah, just in case it ends up being the pullback. Worst case risk is around 30 points.
Okay.
It's, I mean, I don't love it, but it's worth the risk to me. We got the pullback down near 240, a little lower. Not as low as I wanted, but if we get a strong candle here, I'm going to just keep my stop below this 40 area. If we get a strong candle, my hard stop right now is at 215. So, swear if I end today red, I'm just not trading Mondays ever again. This is the better area down here at the low of two.
A little piece with you here.
Yep, this is the better area, 240 down to like 230.
Nice size.
Yep, better area is right here. So then your biggest risk is from 235 or 240 down to 215. So you have like 25 points of risk. And you're also following the trend. If we fail this, then you know you're wrong. I'd still like to see the gap fill. My worst case scenario stop is at 215. Worth the risk to me. Again, about 1/4 size. If we can't hold this, my worst case stop is at 215. If we close this candle weak, I'll likely stop early.
23, 243 is my average on this. Top below the 23, 214.
What's your stop?
23.
Oh, 214. Yeah, me too. 215.
I got my entry here, you know. Average. It's high day.
There we go. There we go, everybody. There we go. I'm going to take a piece off here just to be safe. A little piece of my baby position. That second ad down there was nice. That better case ad at 40 to 35. Now we want high a day. We want high a day out of this. We want high a day, nothing less. We want high a day out of this puppy. My average is at 40. Well, 239.75. If we can't sustain this pump, I'm going to stop. I'm going to set my stop now at 230. So it'll be a break-even, slightly red trade. Basically break even. I guess if there's no slippage, it could be technically break even or slightly green, but I'd like to see high a day out of this. I'm going to keep my stops at 230. I'd like to see high a day, though, up to like 565. That's what I'd like to see. Told you guys, wait for that flush, that 240. That was the best area. Come on. Don't be shy. Push it up. You know what? We might need the song, guys. We might need the song. Or we need me to go to the gym. Come on. Hard stops are in at 230. If we get high day, the shirt's coming off. Get the turntables out. Come on. Come on. Get some force, baby. Pump. My hard stops are at 230. So you're up about 10 points, give or take, depending on your guys' entry. Keep your stops at break even. I won't be upset with you. I just want to give it a little more room, and it won't be valid anymore if we break below 230, for me at least. Not speaking for Grizzly. To pump it up, what you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, what you know, pump it up. Background break even area. If we flush 230, I will get stopped out. Up, 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 not down, up, pump it up. Wrong way. Wrong way. Come on, up. Pump it up. Got to pump it up. What you know, pump it up. Well, got one trim off there above that 250, so take that, I guess. I would have liked to have seen more. Oh. Still in. Oh. Oh, got my stop, guys. Got my stop there. Got my stop. 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 I'm not in the trade. We'll take it. Break even. Well, technically, slightly red, but whatever. Break even. We'll take it. I really had hope for that with that pop up there. You keeping your same stop loss, Grizzly Glock? Mr. Grizzly? Who knows? Maybe the JSI will fire for y'all. Mr. Grizzly, are you still here with us, sir?
What's up?
I said, do you still have your same stop loss?
Yeah, I didn't trade or anything. I was doing the same trade. Same trade. Same stop loss.
We get a strong candle. I'm open to re-entry. I just am not gonna. It's a Monday, so we're being more cautious with how I trade.
Same old boring position.
We get a strong candle. I'm open to re-entry. I'm open to it.
I guess I'll just go straight high day rather than
222. You guys want me to make the single up for you?
Gonna affect the gym indicator.
All right, guys, I'm out to the gym. I'll see you guys later. Adios. Goodbye. Just left.
200-point candle. We're back at entry here. There for a second. For those that are feeling nervous, anxious, or don't like the trade, before you get out. I had a couple of brain heart attacks in this trade. Just get out. Come on, push it up.
All right. I'm back from the gym. Oh no, and you guys are making some progress. Oh shit.
He was in the green there for a minute.
Oh shit. I sit back down and everything comes tumbling down. Maybe I need to go to the gym again.
I'm getting high day here. We're not gonna get it.
$46. The setup actually looks good. I'm gonna try it once more with you. A baby size.
You just cursed.
Yep. I'm sorry. I tried it. Baby size.
It's high day.
Stops below 23. When you look at this 5-minute, it looks good. We're almost flagging. Trends up. How could I not try it after that solid 5-minute candle?
Come on, push up.
Push up. Give us 260. Worst case scenario, hard stops are at 23. I'd like to see high a day. Above 63 out of it.
Can we get high day? So it's gonna reject you.
Well, you see this, you know what I'd like to see? It would just be perfect is a breakout of this with higher volume and a close above this like 53, 54. We get higher volume, close above here in the 5-minute. We should pretty quickly see this high a day target up here. But it's worth the risk to me. I'm either red in the day, one break even, one loss, or we go green. My hard stops exactly are at 223. for worst case scenario, in case there's a tweet or something. Absolute worst case scenario. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure y'all tap it, hit that subscribe button if you're on TikTok, hit that like, hit that, or follow, excuse me, YouTube. Appreciate all y'all being here every single day with me. And as a reminder, if you're trading on prop firms, I want you guys to get funded, get paid out, and put your money in your own personal account. Make sure you use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, or FFF for best possible discounts. We need Tesla to step it up. Tesla's drowning. It's holding the NASDAQ back. NVIDIA's pumping, which is good. Apple is pumping, which is good, but we're not getting a lot of follow through. Google pumping. Microsoft pumping. Come on, NASDAQ, do your thing. It's honestly not ideal the NASDAQ's not getting that pump with all the big tech names pumping, minus Tesla. So if we get a slight pullback in NVIDIA and Microsoft and Apple, we're going to dump on the NASDAQ. AMD up. Again, I'm just in a baby position with my hard stops at 223. I mean, your Tesla's dumping. I'm not adding any more personally. Not adding any more. I'll take my small red on a Monday if that's what it ends up being. And the last trade I'm willing to try if my small longs didn't work here would be that gap fill for puts. For shorts. Shorts or puts. We got AMD starting to pull back a little. NVIDIA pulling back a little. That was my worry, as if these big names start pulling back. Microsoft's still up near high a day. Apple near high a day. If we get any pullback in Apple, Microsoft, AMD, NVIDIA, we're going to see a decent sized pullback in the NASDAQ. I really had hope for that. My baby was going to graduate to a toddler. Didn't happen. We're stuck crawling. We're stuck in the walker. We'll see. It does look like we're flagging. I mean, it does. If we can break above this, I think we'll be in good shape, but take it slow. What is not typical? I'm out of this trade at 223, guys. I'm out at 223 of my baby position. Unless we get my gap fill for puts, I'm going to end the Monday small red. If we don't get the gap fill for puts. Don't. Which it looks like we're not going to get. We got some of the bigger names starting to pull back a little bit. That was my fear. After seeing all those at high a day with no real follow through from the NASDAQ. So we will see. We will see. Don't. I just don't do well when we have those aggressive pumps off the open, or dumps, you could say. I like the dump days more than the pumps. And as my stats continue to show me Mondays, I just don't trade well Mondays. I don't know why. The market has something out against me on Mondays. This market's got 45 more minutes from me, and then I'm out. Don't. How's everyone's morning going, TB?
It's a hot day for stuffing me up.
It's just my luck. I'll still watch that gap fill for shorts. That flush and then rip. Just my luck. Don't. Wow, what a absolute ripper. Oh my gosh. Let's see how he closes this candle. Close above this trend line. And open one more time to try and test that high a day. What a false breakout there. Close there, and then this immediate move down. No new trades for me, but that's interesting. You don't see that a lot. Aggressive buying volume. Just literally straight reversal. That looks like a news candle. That or just immediate false breakout. That was nasty work. Is there any news? Or is that just, if that's just price action, that's crazy. That is diabolical work. I mean, no new trades for me. I was thinking about that. Thank God we didn't. It looks like tariffs. It looks like tariff news. I haven't been in a trade since we flushed 23 that first time. I'm not in any new trades. Trump's raising India's tariff. Damn. We had a beautiful uptrend. Trump came in with some tariffs. Come on now, Donnie T. Come on now, Donnie T. Yeah, I don't not super confident either way right now. I'm not super confident either way right now. Maybe I should go to the gym, then you guys will get some great action. As a reminder, everyone, appreciate y'all being here. I'm going to keep doing my absolute best. Win, lose, or draw, we keep our losses small and our wins big. I'm going to do my absolute best every day to help you guys choose discipline over dopamine, stay focused, trade smart, and trade safe, baby. Apex has 80% off going right now. So if you guys are new to the trading world, if you want to start trading without your own capital for much less, I recommend apextraderfunding.com and use code Jdun for 80% off. Appreciate y'all. I'll put it in the chat too. Let's milk these puppies. Bro, we missed those videos about discipline on YouTube. I still post them. I stopped a while ago, Brandon, at 23. I haven't taken any new trades. As of now, I'm red on the day. I'm red for Monday, which is constant. Swear, Mondays are just not my day. All I wanted was gap fill. Was that too much to ask for? It's looking like it. Knowing my luck, we'd go up to 223, 225 area, short this reversal candle, and then we'd go high a day. Knowing my luck. I'm likely to end up taking my small red today. What? As of this moment, I am currently red $601. Damn. I'm red 600, so I kept it small, but is what it is. On a Monday, I don't expect any different. Damn, my phone was on shuffle and Pump It Up came on. Not right now, bro. Not right now. I'm disappointed in you. End on. Disappointed in you, bro. Let's go, Spartan. Never traded futures. So basically gambling at this point. Well, we got to change that. I recommend a funded account. The best options are FFF, Tradeify, or Apex. You can get the best possible discounts with code Jdun on all those. Yep. Just do a funded account for now. But don't just churn and burn them. I want you to have discipline with them. The goal should be to get paid out and then move your funds to a live account. I got into 2 fights, both which ended in KOs. On my end, baby. I was certainly a fighter as a kid. Also, I was also a big boy, so I assume no one really wanted to fight. I was a big boy. I'm still a big boy. I'm 6'7", 225 pounds. Rah! Woo! I'm technically 6'6" and 3/4, but I round up to 6'7". Is that a Sprite? 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot. Excuse my charisma. I don't remember the rest of the words. Damn, Grizzly, it's rejected 9 points early. Damn, got a little pop up and then nothing. You just tried some now? Grizzly in the shorts. 2 hundo. I want to see that 225. What's the high here? 250. No new trades for me. I'm likely done with my negative 601 for the day. Likely done for the day with my negative 601. Just typical Monday for your boy. I need to get a new phone today. The phone is falling apart. The phone's falling apart. Nigel kept it small, though. That's great. In comparison. Kept it small in comparison. That's a win in my eyes. I'm gonna.
Stop loss would have to be above that 240 if I'm going to max. I had here one of my average to be closer to 223.
What did we get from FedEx? Something. FedEx guy's here. Yeah, FedEx guy's here to rob me of the package he just brought me. Yeah, Repo Man's here for the Lambos. No entries for me on anything right now. What you make in a week? I make it in 7 days. Oh, yeah? Well, I make in a month what you make in 28 days. So what's up with that? How about them apples? Sorry to hear that, Johnny. It's a perfect example of just financial stress impacting your trading. It's got to be separate. Unfortunately, when you let financial stress and stress bleed into your trading, it just ends in heartbreak almost every trade, every time. What?
Stop loss has moved to 223.75.
Holding that 200. If we can flush these lows and close below 200, you could get a real nice move down. Sitting on hands. Good idea. Good idea. Sitting on your thumbs. Sitting on your thumbs is a good idea too. Maybe sit in your index fingers while you're at it. Let it dump for the fellas. Let it dump for the fellas. I guess some people are in pumps.
In this price action, I'm about to call it there, everyone. Go on, open the stop, please. 23.5. That's the new stop.
EMA roulette. That's an interesting game. No new trades for me. Are you out of here, Grizzly? Saying you're leaving?
Yeah. Price action's on the nerves. Go on the money.
I'll see you later, my bro. This price action is a bit annoying. Typical Monday action for me, my friends. I'm sure now that I'm getting ready to leave here soon, we'll see a nice move. I'm sure any second I get up, we'll start seeing some volatility. I'm sure. Someone asked me, they said, honest question. How is trading different from gambling? Well, in a sense, it's not. Right? In a sense that I look at gambling, like anything that you put risk on for money is technically gambling, right? Going to college and paying $50,000 for an education, you're gambling with $50,000. You think you're going to get your return on investment for what you're paying. Go to a roulette table. Obviously, your odds are a little less, but you think you're going to get a return on investment from what you're putting on the table. With trading, same thing. You put money into a trade, you expect an ROI. Well, that's where it comes to having an edge, because you have to have an edge to increase your probabilities to get a return on investment. So there's risk in everything that you put your money into. It's just a matter of how much risk and how much edge do you have in the risk that you're taking. That's how you have to look at it. Yep, one break even, one loss. I'm red for the day. People often forget there's professional gamblers that are really good at what they do. Really good at what they do. It's like being able to count cards with no pit boss to get you thrown out. Yep. Do we flush? It's back and forth. We're at 200 right now. If we can break this level down and sellers can take control below 200, then yeah, we could flush. But we've been using it as support as of the last 30 minutes, so we'll see. Hanging right above VWAP too on QQQ. Decent amount above it on NQ. Play Doot Doot. I've used Bookmap some. I just haven't been using it. I mean, it's a good tool. No, it looks like, let's see if we can fail this 200 finally. Let's see if we can fail this 200. 10 to 15 micros. If I'm going full size, it's usually 30 to 40, even up to 50. See if you can push it down now. Hopefully, Grizzly, you get that, not new low of day, but that new low of hour. Let's see. I'm not in a trade. We didn't close below that 15-minute low again. I would have liked to have seen us close at like 195, 194. See if you can get the lows now. Not the lows, but like that 187. If you get that, you should see a flush down to likely below 180. 170s, 180s. Bless you, Gene. Don't, come on. Tim Riker's ripping. Riker's ripping. Gotta break the Monday curse. I have been cursed on Mondays. The markets know. They say, Jdun, you just got to be red. It's part of the game. Either you don't trade or you're red on Mondays. What's our other big name? What's NVIDIA doing? Pulling back a little. Tesla still pulling back a bit. Apple, mid-range. Microsoft, back at VWAP. Ooh! I have not looked at gold yet today. See how GC is looking. Uptrending. Back at opening print area. Got a little pump up and then a sell off. Any trades today? Yep, I am red on the day. I'm currently red on my morning. One break even. Technically got a 10-point trim for a win, but ended the trade break even. And then one loss. Unlike these other gurus, I call out my trades live. Win, lose, or draw, we do it together. No hindsight. I tell my why, give my stop loss, and do my absolute best to help you guys get funded, get paid out, or build your live accounts. No BS promises. Again, you guys know I don't promote, oh, I make 20K a day. But if I make 1,000, 2 racks, 3 racks on average a day, 5, 10 G's a week, that's freedom to me. You guys see it happen live every single day too. Every single day. I haven't had a red week in a very long time. It's been a long while. Had plenty of red days for sure. I'm sure it'll come again. You know, unfortunately, it does come. Red weeks, sometimes even red months. That's been a really, really long time, but I'm not immune to it. I could certainly have a red month or a red week. It's part of the game. Nice, Brad. Let me know. Today is also the last day for FFF. Today is the last day for FFF 60% off. So if y'all want to go milk my old firm, make sure you use code Jdun. Go milk them. Tradeify is solid too. Tradeify is great. Let's see if this is the turnaround now. Let's see if this is the move up. Let's see if this ends up being the move up. I have 3 funded with Tradeify, $400 away from 3 payouts. That's great. Take it slow and steady. This is the advice that I give all of my students, is that when you get close to payout, nothing changes. When you get close to payout, make sure you go into each day with a maximum loss limit, meaning you know that, all right, I'm $400 away from payout. If I get down $200 today, I am done. I am not trading anymore. The last thing you want to do is go down 200 and then think, oh my gosh, I got to get back to break even. I was so close to payout. And then it goes further and further and further until you got no payout coming. So have your MLL set, your maximum loss limit. Grizzly and I trade live anymore. We trade live every day. Trade live every day inside Team Bull. On the Zoom where there is no lag. No over trading, baby. We trade systems. When I trade, I'm looking at the 5-minute and the 15-minute. Five and 15. As a reminder, I appreciate you all being here. I have a ton of free videos on this YouTube 7-Up. Lots of value on this YouTube. Or if you join my free Discord below, it's in the description on YouTube. We have lots of education in the free Discord. You'll have access to Jared. $10 free Fridays, lots of good stuff. Got 1 more minute till I'm likely out of here. I'm going to leave streaming for 2 hours today, which is much less than usual, or much more than usual on a Monday. Another failure to go higher. Another failure to go higher. Interesting. Another failure to go higher. Well, now that I'm going to leave for the gym here in a second, I'm sure that you guys will get a massive move one way or the other. So the real gym indicator is about to fire. Guys, I've been stopped out for a while. I've been stopped out for a minute. -8. If we break above that 223, you likely see a nice move up. I still like that gap fill. I'm going to keep my alerts on for that gap fill above as well. Definitely going to keep my alerts on for that gap fill. Make sure if you guys haven't already, if you're on the TikTok, you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner so you don't miss any of our live trading. If you're looking to learn how to trade, make it a side hustle, make it a full-time income, this is the best place to start for free every single day. Same thing with the YouTube. If you're on the YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. I go live every single day. Do my absolute best to help you guys keep your losses small and your wins big. Every single day, baby. We choose discipline over dopamine every single day. Appreciate you, Zay, DJ, Simply Trista, the GOAT. There's about a 5-second delay on TikTok, 4 to 5 seconds, same as YouTube. Appreciate everyone following. You're making a great decision for yourself financially, for your discipline. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys. All right, fellas, I'm going to mob out for the day. So trade smart, trade safe. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I am ending today red for the morning and not going to try to claw that back. So kept it small, kept it contained. And as always, make sure y'all choose discipline over dopamine. Thank you for being a part of Team Bull, the #1 trading community for traders in the world. We hold each other accountable and we build together, baby. I love y'all, and I will see you guys. Probably no power hour today because it's Monday. I have a lot of admin stuff to do today, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? Trade smart. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. TikTok, make sure y'all hit that follow button. Trade smart, trade safe. YouTube, I'm out of here as well. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? As a reminder, if you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. And if you'd like access to the free Discord, same thing. Send me a DM on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. 213K followers. That's the only place I answer DMs. I put it in the chat as well. It's my most active spot when I'm not live streaming. So I look forward to seeing and talking to all of you guys on Instagram and giving you guys more value every single day, more updates on ways to learn and everything else through my stories and posts. So make sure right now after this live, you guys head on over to Instagram, give me a follow and send me a message if you guys have any questions. JDUN Trades. Jdun Trades. So love you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. Peace.